In the last video, you saw why you freeze when it's time to speak English. Today I'm going to tell you about the exact day everything changed for me, the day I stopped thinking in my native language, then translating, then speaking. I dropped that entire process. And what I learned might sound strange to you, but it actually works. If you still think in your native language first, then convert it to English and then speak, this video is for you. A few years ago, I was exactly like you. Whenever someone asked me something in English, my mind would run a race. First, understand the question in my native language. Then think of the answer in my native language. Then translate that answer into English. Then speak. This whole process took 5 to 6 seconds. And by that time, the other person had already moved on to something else. I used to get so frustrated. My vocabulary was strong, I knew the grammar, but speaking in real time felt impossible. One day I noticed something. Whenever I talked passionately about something, like cricket or a movie, I wasn't translating at all. I was thinking and speaking directly. So I thought, if I can think directly about those topics, why not everything else? I started a simple experiment. 10 minutes every day, just describing myself in English, in my own head. Whatever I was doing, making tea, crossing the road, I would describe that thing to myself in English. No speaking out loud, no writing, just thinking. There were 3 things that actually made the difference. First, I banned translation. Whenever a native language word popped into my head, I would stop myself and look for a simple English word instead, not a difficult one, just whatever came first. Second, I learned to ignore mistakes. Before, I would spend so much time thinking of the perfect sentence that the moment would pass. I decided that speaking wrong is better than staying silent. Third, I changed my thinking language itself. I switched my phone to English. I started writing notes in English. Small decisions like whether to go now or later, I started thinking through in English. After 3 weeks, the difference was clearly noticeable. That translation gap before speaking started shrinking. After 6 weeks, many times I would react directly in English, without any native language step in between. This wasn't magic. It was just repeated practice, like training a muscle. If you start this 10-minute practice today, just describing your day to yourself in English, you'll notice a difference within a week. Comment below. Day 1 started, and I'll personally check on you. In the next video, I'll tell you why I was scared to speak English for 2 whole years, and the one mindset shift that finally broke my silence. Like this video, subscribe to the playlist Speak Like You've Lived It, because the next story is even more personal.